Clip to save, you will be amazed.
Hello, lovely people. Coupon and Crystal here with another CVS haul. Went back, rolled some extra bucks, and got me some more product. Okay, this week at CVS, they've got the Optic White mouthwash. It's priced at $3.99, and you can get a $1 extra buck back when you purchase it. Now, you're able to do this one twice on one card, so I did it twice because I had a CRT for $2 off of 2 Colgate mouthwash. Okay, combine that with the $1 insert coupon. I'm gonna pop a picture in so you can see what it looks like. And then my husband loves this body wash, okay? The Dove Men Plus Care body wash. So I had to participate in this deal, okay? This week, when you purchase the Dove Men Plus Care, it's buy one, get one 50% off. They were priced at, let me find the price, $6.69 in my store. Your store may vary. And then the second one rang up at $3.34. When I purchased that, it also gave me back a $2 extra buck for purchasing 2. So that's an extra buck deal on this. So the reason why I did this particular deal is because we had the $1 insert coupons. I'm gonna pop a picture in so you can see, and I combined it with my CRT. I had a CRT for, let me tell you, it was for $2 off of 10 Dove Men. Toothbrush again because I had the CVS coupon that was for $1 off that we printed a little while ago. Combined it also with the $1 insert coupon. And then we're gonna get a $2 extra buck back. So this ends up being completely free. So of course, had to do that. Okay, did that deal. Then this deal did not give me an extra buck, but I think it was just good because it was free. It's no need in me paying for shampoo when I got lots of shampoo behind me. I'm not doing that. Okay, this one, this is a good deal to me. I feel it's a good deal. This week at CVS, this particular L'Oreal is priced at 2 for $8. Then I had $3 off of 2 coupons.com coupon. Then I had a CRT for $5 off L'Oreal. And the way my $5 CRT read, it was for $5 off L'Oreal products, okay? So I could use it, I could have, I believe, used it on makeup or whatever, but I decided to use it on this because when I combined the $3 coupons.com coupon along with my $5 CRT, the shampoo was free. And as you can see, my hair is in desperate need of doing. Needs of none of this stuff. So I said, let me try. I think I'm gonna actually use this stuff tonight because I'm curious to see what this repair and conditioner, total repair 5 repairing conditioner. I need some repairing real bad. Bad. Oh, and of course I had to get my Colgate. I got my free toothpaste. You know I couldn't leave that off. Of course, everyone, this one is priced at $3.50 this week. Everybody is going to get the $2.50 CRT. You're going to combine it with your $1 coupon that was in your insert from this past Sunday, making the toothpaste free. We're going to always do free toothpaste, lovely people, because we don't want to pay. We don't pay for toothpaste. We coupon us. Okay, now with the first transaction, guess what my subtotal was? $2. That's right, $2. And then I rolled a total of, let's see how many extra bucks I rolled. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I rolled $11 in extra bucks. And then I got back $6 in extra bucks. Okay. Now, let's see. Y'all know I don't be showing no receipts, but I'll fold it back so you can see the $2 subtotal. Nothing can be seen. I don't want nothing to be seen. There's the $2 subtotal. Okay. Now, next deal. I've been just having a paper deal fetish here lately. I just want to get paper. I want to stock up on paper. You know, you can't have too much paper. You can never have too much toilet paper. You can never have too much paper towel because it's constantly in use. Okay, it's constantly being used. So this week at CVS, we got the 3 for $15 deal. That's on the front of the flyer, and you get a $5 extra buck. And it's on the Brawny, it's on the Quilted Northern, and it says it's on Angel Soft. Okay, I didn't see any Angel Soft in the store, but it's okay because I got 3 of these. Okay. And there's the yellow. All right, we got 3 of these. Now, we used the $1 Quilted Northern coupon. I'll pop a picture in so you can see it. Didn't unfortunately have any CRTs. I have not gotten a paper CRT in forever, okay? I haven't gotten one in a long time. So, I had $7 in extra bucks on the particular card that I used for this one. So I rolled those $7 in extra bucks, used those $3 in coupons. So that made my subtotal come down to $5. I paid $5 and I got $5 back. So to me, this Quilted Northern was completely free because I gave her $5 and she gave me my $5 back in the form of an extra buck. Lovely. So, here is the subtotal. Y'all know I ain't about to show my card information. Y'all know I just feel some type of way every time I think about that. Whew. My theft. Okay, let's cover it up. Here we go. Let's see. I just want to show y'all my subtotal. I ain't showing nothing else. There's the subtotal. You can see the subtotal of $5. That was some great deals. CVS has some really good deals this week. I hope you all are able to take advantage of it. I might go back and do something else. You never can tell. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.
Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.